Have you ever stared at the ceiling, counting sheep that never seem to sleep? You're not alone. Millions of us struggle to get a good night's rest. We lie awake, worrying about tomorrow or replaying yesterday's events. The minutes tick by and sleep feels further away. It's so frustrating and honestly just exhausting. We live in a world that really values busyness. We often sacrifice sleep for work, social commitments, or endless scrolling on our phones. But sleep is not a luxury. It's a fundamental need, just like eating and breathing. Good sleep isn't just about the number of hours. It's about the quality of those hours. Deep, restful sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health. Let's explore how to unlock the secrets of deep sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Sleep is essential for our bodies and minds to function at their best. When we sleep, our bodies and brains don't just switch off. They go into repair and rejuvenation mode. During sleep, our bodies repair tissues, build muscle, and strengthen our immune systems. Our brains process emotions, consolidate memories, and make creative connections. When we don't get enough sleep, we feel the effects immediately. We feel tired, sluggish, and irritable. We find it harder to concentrate, make decisions, and control our emotions. Long-term sleep deprivation increases the risk of serious health problems like heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and obesity. It can even shorten our lifespans. Sleep isn't a one-size-fits-all experience. Each of us has a unique relationship with sleep, shaped by our routines, environments, and even our dreams. No two nights are ever exactly the same, and the way we rest can be as individual as our fingerprints. Sleep involves a fascinating cycle of different stages, each playing a crucial role in our physical and mental recovery. These stages work together to help us feel refreshed, restore our energy, and process the events of our day. There are 4 main stages of sleep, and each one serves a special purpose in keeping our bodies and minds healthy. First, stage 1, which is NREM. This is the lightest stage of sleep. You drift in and out of sleep and can be easily awakened. It's that fleeting moment when you're not quite awake, but not fully asleep either. Next comes stage 2, also NREM. Your heart rate and breathing slow down, and your body temperature drops. This stage prepares your body for deeper sleep, and you spend about half of your night here. Then stage 3, still NREM. This is deep sleep, the most restorative stage. Your brain waves slow down and your body repairs and regenerates tissues. Growth and healing happen here, making it essential for feeling rested. Finally, REM sleep. Your brain becomes more active and your eyes move rapidly. This is when we dream most vividly. REM sleep is crucial for learning, memory, and emotional processing, helping us make sense of our experiences and emotions. We cycle through these stages multiple times throughout the night, with each cycle lasting about 90 minutes. The balance of these stages shifts as the night goes on. Deep sleep is most prominent in the first half of the night, giving our bodies a chance to recover from the day's activities. As morning approaches, REM sleep becomes more frequent, filling our minds with dreams and helping us wake up feeling mentally refreshed and ready for a new day. Our bedrooms should be havens for sleep, not distractions. Here's how to transform your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary. Temperature. Keep your bedroom cool, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius. A cooler room helps signal to your body that it's time to sleep. Darkness light disrupts our natural sleep-wake cycle. Make your room as dark as possible. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out light. Sound, unwanted noise can interfere with sleep. Consider using earplugs or a white noise machine to create a calming soundscape. Clutter. A cluttered bedroom can lead to a cluttered mind. Declutter your space to create a sense of calm and order. These small changes can make a big difference in the quality of your sleep. Preparing for sleep is just as important as actually getting into bed. The way you transition from your busy day to bedtime can make a huge difference in how quickly you fall asleep and how refreshed you feel in the morning. Winding down your mind and body can help you fall asleep faster and, honestly, sleep more soundly. Start by dimming the lights and turning off electronic devices at least 30 minutes before you plan to sleep. This signals to your brain that it's time to relax. So, here are some relaxation techniques you might want to incorporate into your bedtime routine. First up, deep breathing. This simple practice can be done right in your bed and doesn't require any special equipment. taking deep, slow breaths can really calm your nervous system. It helps lower your heart rate and signals to your body that it's safe to let go of the day's stress. Try inhaling slowly for a count of 4, holding for a count of 4, and then exhaling slowly for a count of 4. Repeat this several times, focusing on the sensation of your breath. It's simple, but super effective. Next, meditation. Meditation doesn't have to be complicated. Just a few minutes of sitting quietly and focusing on your breath or a calming word can help. Meditation can quiet your mind and reduce those racing thoughts that just won't quit. It's a great way to let go of worries and prepare your mind for restful sleep. Even just a few minutes of mindfulness meditation can really make a difference. If you're new to meditation, guided sessions can be especially helpful. There are tons of apps and online resources out there to guide you if you're not sure where to start. Many offer sleep-specific meditations designed to help you drift off peacefully. Gentle yoga or stretching is another great option. Moving your body with slow, mindful stretches can help release tension that's built up throughout the day. Gentle stretches can release muscle tension and help prepare your body for sleep. Focus on areas that feel tight, like your neck, shoulders, and back. And finally, think about establishing a calming bedtime routine. Creating a ritual signals to your body that it's time to wind down. This could mean taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to some calming music. You might also try journaling or sipping a cup of herbal tea. Honestly, it's all about finding what helps you unwind. The key is to make your routine enjoyable and something you look forward to each night. So experiment with different techniques and see what works best for you. With a little practice, you'll discover the perfect way to relax and set yourself up for a restful night's sleep. The food and drinks we consume, especially in the hours before bed, can really impact our sleep. What you choose to eat in the evening doesn't just affect your digestion. It can influence how quickly you fall asleep, how deeply you rest, and even how you feel when you wake up the next morning. So, making mindful choices at night is just as important as what you eat during the day. Let's talk about some foods that actually promote sleep. First, tryptophan-rich foods. These are well known for their sleep-supporting benefits and are a great addition to your evening routine. Tryptophan is an amino acid that helps your body produce melatonin and serotonin, which are hormones that regulate sleep. Melatonin signals your body that it's time to wind down, while serotonin helps stabilize your mood and promote relaxation. Good sources include turkey, chicken, nuts, and seeds. Including these foods in a light evening meal or snack can help set the stage for a restful night. Next, let's look at complex carbohydrates. These provide a steady release of energy and can help you feel more relaxed. Eating a small portion of complex carbs in the evening can actually help tryptophan reach your brain more easily, making it even more effective. Think whole grains, brown rice, and quinoa. These foods are not only nutritious, but they also help keep your blood sugar stable overnight, which can prevent you from waking up hungry. Herbal teas like chamomile, lavender, and valerian root also have calming properties that can aid sleep. Sipping a warm, caffeine-free tea before bed can become a soothing ritual that signals your body it's time to relax. Now, on the flip side, there are foods and drinks you'll want to avoid before bed. Some choices can make it much harder to fall asleep or stay asleep through the night. Caffeine is a big one. It's a stimulant that can keep you awake, so steer clear of coffee, tea, soda, and even chocolate in the evening. Even small amounts of caffeine can linger in your system for hours, so it's best to avoid these after mid-afternoon if you're sensitive. Alcohol might make you feel sleepy at first, but it actually disrupts your sleep later in the night. It can cause you to wake up frequently and leave you feeling groggy in the morning, so it's best to limit or avoid alcohol close to bedtime. And eating a large meal close to bedtime? That can put extra strain on your digestive system and make it harder for your body to relax. That can interfere with digestion and make it harder to fall asleep. You might experience discomfort, heartburn, or even nightmares if your body is working overtime to process a heavy meal. So, paying attention to your diet can really make a significant difference in your sleep quality. By making thoughtful choices about what you eat and drink in the evening, you can set yourself up for a more restful, restorative night and wake up feeling your best. Our electronic devices emit blue light, which, honestly, interferes with our body's production of melatonin, a key sleep hormone. Most of us are exposed to excessive blue light throughout the day and, well, late into the evening. This disrupts our natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Here are some tips for managing your screen time before bed. Establish a digital curfew. Turn off all screens at least an hour before bed. This gives your brain time to unwind and produce melatonin naturally. If you must use your devices in the evening, use blue light filters or glasses to reduce your exposure. And, try to create distance. Don't sleep with your phone next to your bed. Place it in another room to avoid temptation. Breaking the screen time habit can be challenging, but the benefits to your sleep are significant. Our bodies really do thrive on routine. When we maintain a regular sleep schedule, we regulate our body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also called the circadian rhythm. This makes it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Here's how to establish a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine that signals to your body it's time to sleep. Get enough sunlight during the day, especially in the morning. And try to avoid napping during the day, as it can disrupt your sleep cycle. Consistency is key when it comes to regulating your sleep-wake cycle and improving your sleep quality. Weighted blankets have gained popularity in recent years, and for good reason. These blankets are filled with glass beads or plastic pellets, making them heavier than traditional blankets. The added weight creates a sense of pressure and security, kind of like a gentle hug. This pressure can have a calming effect on the nervous system, reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Studies have shown that weighted blankets can help people fall asleep faster, sleep more soundly, and wake up feeling more refreshed in the morning. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your sleep, a weighted blanket might be worth trying. Getting a good night's sleep is crucial for our physical and mental well-being. By understanding the science of sleep and implementing simple yet effective strategies, we can unlock the secrets of deep, restful sleep. Remember to create a relaxing sleep environment, practice relaxation techniques, make wise food and drink choices, limit screen time before bed, maintain a regular sleep schedule, and consider a weighted blanket. The journey to better sleep is personal. Experiment with these tips to find what works best for you. And remember, even small changes can make a big difference. What are your secrets for a restful night? Share your tips and let's help each other unlock the power of sleep.